Good morning. Oh, look at that. Look at that box. Look at that box. Look at that box. I'm going to start with this one. It's the smallest of them all. 122 kilograms. The crate is nailed together, not screwed together, which is going to make it interesting to pull apart. All the stuff is packaged in space, aerospace, foily stuff. So I don't know what's in here, and it's going to be very messy. Okay, well, that's all I really need to take off to get to this. There's so much rubbish. Never received anything from China before packed like this. And the air's being sucked out of it. So, part of me wants to leave it intact. Yeah, they look like, well, that's at least one conveyor. Exactly. No, I think they're both conveyors. Ugh. Oh, that smells. Okay, well. Have they been right and nailed down? Up. Nailed down with these wooden things. So maybe this can come out now. Might be nailed down on the outside. I don't know, I don't want to pull the other side up at the moment. Well packaged. What am I doing? I have pockets for those things. Should be in my pockets. Feels like there's something on the back corner there that's preventing it. Oh, yeah. Wow. I'm glad I'm using the small one first to do this. stuck to plastic. I have trolleys for moving furniture. Feet aren't very level. Maybe I'll just open this to show you. They tied it to the leg. So it's a conveyor. See here, opens, closes this way. What's great about it is it's only 600 in length. It's very short. The one I'm using at the moment is 800 in length, and they're normally a metre to 1.2 metres. So because I'm space constrained lengthwise here, I needed it narrow. Oh, and these are 4-wire in and out. So I should be able to connect that to my line, no problem. Cool, okay. Need to move this out of the way. Get the other one out. By the way, you might be able to hear my printer printing upstairs. I've got a new Bamboo X1 carbon, which is extremely noisy. That's pretty amazing. I'm currently doing some experiments with multicoloured prints on my Reflow Master Pro cases. So all black case, but the writing on the front is in a different colour. Pretty cool. This is cord to the front here. Use your back C on. Okay. A bit easier. Once again, tied to the leg. Okay, 2 conveyors. So one of those conveyors will go from the stencil printer to the pick and place machine. The other one will go from a new oven, if I eventually get, to a restacker, PCB restacker, which is in that box there. I've got a destacker and a restacker, but I'm not going to be able to use the restacker until I get a new oven. And I can't even look at a new oven yet until I know how much space I've got left. After everything is in the line. Box number 2, packaged the same way inside. This one opens this way, so at least I can lean that up there. Oh, and these come off sideways, not this way. Wow, okay. Been meaning to clean all that up anyway, so perfect. It's quite tall inside, I have to be careful, I don't want to hit it. Why can't they just use screws? Okay. Looks like two machines side by side. Do you want to see if I have a chance of getting them off? Nail these in really well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nails. So I've only got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 nails. 5 nails. Oh, break my hammer. I'm going to break the hammer. I can see my hammer's twisting. Anyway, let's try to take off this. As I said, very well packaged compared to how I've had stuff delivered before. Quite large, larger than I imagined them to be. So you've heard me refer to these as stackers and de-stackers, and it's different to a loader and an unloader of a PCB. Loaders and unloaders work off cartridges that you load up and it feeds one at a time. These are different. These are pneumatic based, and you just put a whole stack of PCBs in, panels in, and it drops one down at a time and feeds it, and on the other end it grabs them and stacks them back up again without using cartridges. The difference between these and the cartridge based ones are these are considerably smaller, like a third of the size of the cartridge based ones, and again, I don't have enough room here. I have enough room if I don't want to have a dirty area for the laser and woodworking and tools and stuff, but I want to have a dirty area, and that means I'm going to lose 3 meters in length of the factory, and that 3 meters means that I can't use a normal loader and unloader. I have to use these, which are pretty good apparently, but I've never used one. I have seen them in operation in videos. Wow. Yeah, I don't know how to bring that out. Whatever this desiccant stuff is. Oh! 2 3-pointers. It stinks, whatever it is. Anyway. Oh. What am I going to do? Wow. I think this is going to be too heavy to get up and down. That leg is still stuck in there. You're going to have to get that off. Another one. Missed. That was all air, that one. 2 out of 3. Yeah. I think I'll be waiting for someone to come and help. I have ordered a pallet jack. It'll be here next week, but the pallet jack won't help me because I can't get it above the pallet under here. I need a forklift, like a lifter, to do that. So this is going to have to come off, brute force, myself and someone else. If you're watching David Watts, you owe me a trip. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Is that the only one? Okay. Yeah, well, just for shits and giggles, because I can't open the other one, or get the stuff off it. Liar, liar, pants on fire. I did get them off about 3 hours later through anger and frustration. So there they are, stacker and de-stacker. Don't know which one's which. And I moved the conveyors. Okay, let's get back to the main event, which is the stencil printer. I'm going to attempt to at least take a wall off this one so we can look inside. This is my automatic stencil printer. That wasn't too bad. No injuries yet. I'm not tall enough to see inside. I bought a step platform as well. Look at that. That's a beauty. Hi. So, this off now. Wow. That's a freaking big machine. Wow. And you can't really see from that angle. Okay, so yeah, this is the machine. That's rather large. Bigger than my pick and place machine. Do we want to see inside? Shall we open it up and have a look inside? I think we should. We should. Nothing worse than if I just stop the video right now and you didn't get to see. I don't know if this is the front or the back. This looks like the back of it. And I can show you the front of the top secret. Ooh. No, it's the side. That's how wide the machine is. Oh, and that is liquid. Liquid. So it's obviously, it got rained on. That's why it's got this protective stuff. I need to get this liquid off before it goes, well, it's already on the floor and down the side. That's okay, that's not on the machine. Let's get a container and see if we can capture it all. Make a little valley. There it goes. Look at that. Nice brown looking liquid. Yum. Thirsty, anyone? Okay, let's take the rest of this off. We'll clean up the floor later. As I said, that's the side of the machine. That's the front on here. So I guess I could get, take off the other side and take this down, you'll get to see the front. Okay, you can probably get this side down now without. I hope using the equipment is going to be more fun than unboxing it. Just saying. What a great investment. So, not sure if you can see, on top here, there are, let me show you, a whole bunch of rollers. These are cleaners, these are paper. Paper on a roll goes inside the machine and it uses this to wipe down the bottom of the stencil based on however often I want it to do. Generally you do it after every application. You'll come back and you clean the bottom of the stencil, feeds out a bit of paper, off it goes. Inside I can also put cleaning detergent, it's the special stuff that I use that matches the paste I use. So it can wet the paper, you can do either dry or wet, clean the bottom of the stencil so you don't get any build up or anything. So there seems to be quite a few here. I ordered some, I think they threw in a whole bunch. I should take them all out. I don't know where I'm going to put them, probably need a box. Box. Now where could I possibly find a box? It's pretty cool that the paper is ROHS. Like, what? I didn't know the paper contained lead. I know it's not just lead, I know it's also just, it covers a lot more than just lead, but wow, this is a lot of, I need a bigger box. A much bigger box. So you can get wider paper, but I don't do panels bigger than this. Even if I increase the size of my panels, these are still plenty wide enough. Wow, how many? I can't remember how many I bought, but not this many. that is all of them. Okay, that's a lot of paper. That is a lot of paper. Let's move this out of the way. What's that? I don't know what that is. Looks like it's connected to power. Something. Wow. So, I mean, part of me wants to leave it wrapped for when I move it. Part of me wants to just unwrap it to show you. But, as I said, it's a bit of a beast. But it is a GKG, which is a company in, I think their head office is in Singapore. So this model is a G5. This is a second-hand machine. I believe it's a 2016 model. I'd have to get to the back to find out for sure. So not many people have heard of this brand, and it's because this is what gets used in the production facilities in China. This is a machine that you would see on the production lines there in the tier 2, tier 3 production facilities. Yeah, I really want to give it a bit of a look inside. I really shouldn't. I really shouldn't, but I think I will. I'll let it make the top. And look, even the plastic is on the front still. So the company I bought it from, Leadaway, I actually asked them, like, why would people be getting rid of these? Like, why are these available second-hand? If these are the machines of choice for production facilities in China. And she said, well, you know, generally they'll be leasing them and stuff. And when the lease is up, they update the machine. Like they'll get a newer model, and this machine, there's nothing wrong with it. They take it off the line, and they upgrade it with something better, keep with their lease repayments. Or there are companies that just go out of business. Power cable of some type, and oh, it's a keyboard. Interesting. Right, it's a mouse and keyboard. Except now that I've done that, I don't know where it's going to live. And open this up. There's a bunch of stuff inside. Lots of boxes. That's a screen. And that looks like a mount for the keyboard and stuff that'll sit on the side. What's in that box? Yeah, so you look inside here now and you can see, yeah, absolutely second-hand machine. There's a bit of gunk on the rails, on the linear rails on the side that need to be cleaned up a bit. I did get a video. I saw a video of the machine running at the time before they packaged it up. So the machine does work. These are supports at the bottom, underneath the PCB, and of course, this company sells these second-hand. They sell all the bits for them, the parts for them as well. I can get accessories, I can get whatever. Wow. It's got a very mechanical smell. Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, well, there you go. So, this is my new automatic stencil printer. I'm sorry that the camera angle has been so bad this whole time. You know, I was focused on undoing and not on where the camera was facing. I'm sorry, but pretty exciting. This is massive. Like, this is wider than my, like this is as wide as my pick and place, almost with the feeders. It's pretty long, and it sits further back because the conveyors go from here and out. So it sits kind of in line at the front with my pick and place machine and further at the back. Yeah, that is huge. I don't know how I'm doing it up. No idea. Okay, thanks for watching. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, click the alarm bell to be notified when I have new videos coming out, And yeah, I look forward to the next installment of this, where I try to get all this on my line somehow. I think it's going to be a rather epic adventure to do all that. But I'll share it, don't you worry. Okay, catch you later, bye.